Hi everyone, this is Design Studio Ideas and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I going to show you modern window design. Single hung window is a classic and very common design. It operates with the bottom sash being manipulated. Since this type of window does not open outwards, it is perfect choice of window for small space like windows facing pathway, streets and other narrow space. The double hung window type is the most common type of window in American houses because of its particularity functionality. Very easy to own and come in many design and build which matches every architectural design. Easy maintenance since both the upper and lower stashes can be manipulated to allow ventilation inside. Like the single hung window type, it is perfect for narrow outside space. The oriel is a type of bay windows that is commonly used in the upper floors stories that are supported by brackets or similar. This type of windows extend the area of the room exterior. Dormer windows are provided for sloped roof. These are projected from the sloping surface as shown in below image. They provide ventilation as well as lighting to the room. They also enhance aesthetic sense of room. If the room is a building or of different ceiling heights, clear story windows are provided for the room which has greater ceiling height than the other rooms. The shutter able to swing with the help of cord or pulleys. These also enhance the beauty of building. Lantern windows are provided for our flat roofs. The main purpose of this window is to provide the more light and air circulation to the interior room. Generally, they are projected from the roof surface so we can close the roof surface when we require it. Gable windows are provided for sloped roof building. These windows are provided at the gable end of sloped roof so they are called as gable windows. They also improve the appearance of building. Ventilators are provided for the purpose of ventilation in the room. They are provided at greater height than windows near to the roof level. It is in very small size. Horizontal pivoted shutters are provided for ventilators. Sometimes shutters is replaced by wide mesh. In this case, sunshade is provided to prevent against rainwater. Skylights are generally provided on the top of sloped roof. To admit light into the room, skylights are provided. It is provided parallel to the sloping surface. Skylights can be opened when we required. Sash windows is a type of casement windows, but in this case panels are fully glazed. It consists of bottom and intermediate rails. The space between the rail is divided into small panels by means of small timber members called sash bars. As in the name itself, corner windows are provided at the corner of room. That means corner windows has two faces in perpendicular direction. By providing this type of windows, light or air can be entered into room into different direction. To provide this type of window spatial is provided in the wall. Corner windows will give aesthetic appearance to the building. Window design is decision in providing appropriate visual comfort for occupants and sufficient energy saving in electric lighting. Daylight visual comfort is dependent on the maximum daylight autonomy. Moreover, energy consumption in electric lighting. Aluminium windows are excellent for any space, including a restricted space where you do not want windows projecting out of the wall. These windows are sleek yet elegant, enhanced with any home interior. Aluminium windows manufacturers consider this style of windows as it's very popular in many modern day offices and houses. Aluminium windows feature a classic style that perfect for any type of architectural layout. The aluminium sliding windows feature two or more sashes that horizontal pass each other in any frame. Both white aluminium windows and color aluminium windows retain their color and are very low maintenance due to few moving parts. Aluminium windows are completely weather sealed around its frame. This minimizes dust and water intrusion. These windows are available in various sizes and style along the durable handles. These windows have a silent and smooth sliding movement. They are available in wide range of colors from black mini aluminium windows to timber or any color windows frame. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel. If you get any help then comment down below. Thank you.